Quick greenhouse update, 20th of January 2024. We've just had weeks and weeks and weeks of freezing temperatures and it's starting to warm up a little bit now, but we've got southwesterly gales coming in. We're not going to avoid the gales, but we might avoid the rain, but I'm not holding my breath. Anyway, these are the onion pips that I potted on a few weeks ago. They've been sat out in the cold, but you can definitely see that they've grown. Amazing really. All they've had is a little bit of fleece over the top at night, which ain't done a lot really, but it all helps I suppose. And I brought out all the shallots and onions from in the office. I don't want them to get too used to having that temperature in there and then come outside and then bolt. So that's the bistro that I saved from last year. See what they do. Mammoth red onion. Not the best germination rate. I know I didn't miss that many cells. We'll see if they come on. If not, I'll do some more quickly in a minute. That's some more shallots bistro. They were the new ones I bought. They should come on lovely. Caravel Rose de Roscoff, fresh seed from France. Can't really fail with it. They don't cost any more than buying the ones from this country. And I'm not even sure if you can get Caravel in this country. Bedford Champion, good germination rate, good size onion, alright for showing and for eating. They eat very well. Figaro, banana shallot. Grew these last year for the first time. Well impressed with them. Very nice. And there we go. We've got another load on the go. I think it's 3 or 4 in each cell of those. The ones at the back, these are leeks. I've called them Vic's prize winner because they were given to me, the seeds were given to me by an old friend down the road who used to use them for showing, but he can't remember the name of them. So we ain't got a clue, but we'll see what they're to do. At the back there, I think it's Kelsey, not sure, pretty sure it is, but you know what it is. Elsa Craig, again, show onion and eating onion, very nice, they'll be alright. It's amazing what else is sort of hanging on in here really. Seems how it's -8 at one stage in here. So, you know, it's pretty cold. But there's Swiss chard there coming on, that'll come ready for the spring. Onions that I set to go to seed. They're growing well. And where are we? Chives. Spring greens. They're doing alright. Seems how the ground is only 5 degrees Celsius, they're doing very well. And they'll come just right for when we're getting into that hungry gap. Then again, we don't tend to have a hungry gap anymore. I usually got something I can come out and get. So we'll pop into the other greenhouse now, won't be a minute. High top greenhouse. Not a lot going on in here really. That's the garlic growing away quietly. These are all home saved. They did all right last year. I've still got plenty of it in the freezer, and got quite a few on the grow. There's some little strawberry plants. They've come through -8. Still got colour to them. One or two look a bit dodgy. They got the roots down into the soil underneath. They'll be all right. The beetroot didn't come to anything. Not sure. Not worried. Never am. Cauliflowers. Slow but sure, and they must be catching a draft or something. They ain't growing very well. We'll see. I might just take them out when the weather cheers up and bung them in the ground outside. They might finish, they might not. So there we go. That's the end of the greenhouse tour for the 20th of the 1st 2024. Keep on gardening.